region with their valuable presence. Indeed, today is a very historic day in a way that the collaboration of two leading organizations, one from insurance industry and one from banking sector, will create a lot of opportunities and new milestones in the days to come. This collaboration will definitely boost the business activities of the both of the institutions. In the end, I express my gratitude to whole team of the UBL, especially Mr. Akhil,
the State Life, and UBL. Though the relationship between the two institutions is a legacy of inception, but I hope today's MOU will give multi-dimensional strength to it. For selling, today's venture is a trajectory towards the advancement of technological support to its valued policyholder, employees, field staff, and vendors with the collaboration of UBL.
UBL team also. And I'm extremely delighted today because ये जो idea था, Shoaib को as you know has joined almost a year ago. I'm at UBL a year and a half ago, and I think we both are trying to establish, uh, see how we could work better together. जैसे बताया पहले भी कि ये partnership 50 साल से चल रही है, and alhamdulillah it's been a good partnership. But I think आज के बाद हम इसमें ये पार्टनरशिप के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथन करने की गुंजाइश थी, और यही विजन के साथ मेरी मैनेजमेंट टीम ने और शोएब की मैनेजमेंट टीम ने ये डिसाइड
From something, a paragraph I was reading last night. It's something JFK said, John F. Kennedy. In fact, don't muck it up. Uh, what he did say was, in a Boston accent, which I'm sure you can do better than me, but what he did say was, conformity is the jailer of freedom and the enemy of growth. What I believe, and as you very rightly put out, that the respective organizations that we've been bestowed the responsibility of, they map each other very well in the fact that you can see them across Pakistan and every nook and corner from Khyber to Karachi, Gwadar to Gilgit. UBL is there, and so is State Life serving Pakistanis regardless of which strata of society they come from. And it is that vision that I believe that this first step is towards fulfilling. What we would hope with this partnership is, so State Life, as you all know, is not only the largest but the highest rated insurer in Pakistan. We are on a journey ourselves to bring better solutions, be it life and health. We don't see ourselves as an investment company. We see ourselves as a financial solutions company that provides the right support and protection for our policyholders through their life journey. Insurance in that is unique in the sense that depending on the individual's life path, point in life, the solutions that they need vary. And according to that, we at State Level developing a whole plethora of products to meet those needs, be that on life insurance side or health protection. Similarly, we know UBL has this immense outreach by being the legacy of State Life is defined in all your minds, which is also very poignantly pointed out. That little jingle, After who still pulls at our heartstrings. With that legacy, I'm very glad to now be looking towards the next 50 years where digital solutions are the solutions to Pakistan. And we hope that with this partnership, these two organizations come together, two nationally important organizations come together, the whole will be greater than the sum of parts, and we will go beyond our duty and responsibilities to contribute towards the economic development of Pakistan as a whole. So thank you once again to all of you here, and thank you, Siddharth sir, for this great partnership and spearheading it. Thank you.